Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VEL Dogg, and this is my kitchen, where I make restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Let's get cooking. Okay guys, we're going to jump right into this. Today I'm going to be making a classic creamy mustard potato salad recipe for 2019. Alright, I'm going to show you some of these ingredients that we got. We have some green onions. I have 4 potatoes, medium-sized potatoes, right here. We need a bowl, of course. You gotta mix that up in there. I have some relish right here. I have some Miracle Whip. I have some mayonnaise. This is the Aldi brand. That's why I turned it like that. Anyway, I have some Mediterranean sea salt right here. I have some mustard right here. I have some smoked paprika right here. And I have some pepper right here. And I have 6 eggs right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Alright, you're going to also be needing a knife right here, you know, to chop up some stuff. So that's what you're going to need. You're going to need a smasher. Alright. You're going to learn how to do all that. You're going to need a pillar. If you don't have one of these, a knife will be work just as well. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and set this stuff up, and I'll be right back. I'll see you in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm just going to go ahead and turn my eye on medium. Remember, I have an electric stove. We're just going to place our eggs in there. So this 6 eggs, I may even go with 7 eggs for decoration purposes. Well, and eating too. So this is like 6 eggs. But we're just gonna go ahead and let that come up to the boil. If you seen my video on how to make the tuna fish sandwich, you can go ahead and follow that. So do go back and check that out. Leave me a comment, let me know how that turned out. And I'll be right back. We're just gonna let this come to a boil. Okay guys, what you want to do with these potatoes, we just come with our pillar. That's what I do. I don't go as fast because I don't want to cut myself. Sometimes I don't trust it. So I just go nice and slow or whatever. Now, what you do want to do, I didn't tell you guys that, for those that don't know, fill your bowl up with some water or something so your potato will get brown. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Okay, that's working. We just take our other one. Think to get the picture of it. I told you I'm trying to shorten my videos up, so I'm going to go ahead and peel these up, and then I'll show you the next step, okay? I'll see you in a minute. Guys, I am back. Make sure you wash your knife off. Now, this is all you want to do. Now, you got some people like to do this. Go down, but you see how they're doing it? It's starting to go on off track. So that's why I don't do that. You can do it that way, or go like this. Some people do it like that. I'm trying to tell y'all what I am. My name Easy Does. I'm going to show you how they do it. It's like this. Bring them together. And I did want to add that these are Idaho potatoes. If you want your potato to hold longer, what you can simply do is get you some red potatoes. Red potatoes hold, keep longer. Keep them meaning last longer, okay? So that's that. Now I'm going to show you how I do mine. And it's kind of dangerous if you don't know what you're doing. I've been cooking for years. I take this and I go straight down the middle like this. This is how my mom showed me how to do it. See that? Then I just go like that. See that? See how quick that is? I've been on the half right now. Simple. Quick and easy. Do it one more time. Go down the middle like this. Okay, just wash your hands. Go down the middle again, making a cross cut. Hold them together. And cut them. I'll show you if you can't see it. Now this knife is kind of big. I normally use like a medium sized knife to do this. But I'm just showing you what you can do, because some people may not be able to do it like this. Alright, now these are potatoes. You want to wash those off. What I do is run cold water on them. And I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and prep some of this onion up. So you just want to cut that piece off like that. If you want to, you can go to the bottom, but I ain't going to do that yet. So you just bring them together, chop like this. Move your fingers as you go. Okay? This is all the onions I'm going to need in mine. You can put as much as you want in yours. This is probably like a half cup. It's not even a half a cup, it's like a quarter of a cup. Okay? That's it. That's all I need in mine. Because I'm not making that much. I normally, when I make potato salad, I had probably like the whole bag. And probably like 2 onions and what's the other thing I normally put in it? I put like bell pepper in it. But the bell pepper, for me, it tastes good, but it give me heartburn for some odd reason. So I don't put the bell pepper in mine no more. I really normally don't put onions in mine, because I told you, a lot of people in my family don't like onions. But in this case, since I'm making a small amount, I'm going to put them onions in there. So I want you guys to make sure you stay tuned in, because I'm going to be putting up some more recipes. I can show you a sneak preview. See this right here, right? Know what that means, right? So this coming. Trust me, these bananas can't stay out too long, right? So that's coming. I know I say I'm going to do the pastrami. That's the bread right there. I got it. I got you coming. I got you coming. I got some sauerkraut right here. See what I'm saying? I got you. I feel you, do you? I got that right there. Look at here. I got some bread right here. You know what I'm saying? I got you. I got a lot of things coming your way. I mean, you got some chicken I'm thawing right here. Oh man, we gonna get it in. We gonna eat like kings and queens that we are. So the guys, stay tuned in, and we gonna get it in. All right, let's get it. Okay, guys, I'm back. So now you wanna put your potatoes in there. Okay. And we're just gonna let them cook till they get tender. All right. I'll let you know how long they was cooking, but that's what we're gonna do. Put a lid on that bad boy, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. Forgot to put my salt in it. I'm gonna put some little salt in there if I can get this thing open. Probably like a teaspoon. I'll cook my salt and my potatoes, okay? So I won't have to season it. And that's it. We're just gonna let that cook, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. So what I did, I took these potatoes, strained them out, washed them, put them in the refrigerator for a little bit. Now they kind of soft, which is okay, because that's how I like mine. Now if you want yours, they cook for like about 10 minutes. A little bit over the time that I want it, but I'm cool with that. All right. So I took an egg. Took an egg, I use this thing to break it up. So I'm just gonna put that in there. Probably before I put that in there, I should have probably seasoned some of this stuff, but I'm not gonna worry about it. It's all gonna get cooked. So that was that egg. You can use one of these things if you want to. You don't have to. Just throw it in there. Matter of fact, I'm just going ahead and keep it real with you. That's my first time ever using it, really. I'm going to take this egg and chop it up. Okay? That's all you're doing. The last one. Alright. So, we're going to go in with our, matter of fact, let's go ahead and go with our mayonnaise. Alright. So that's 2 tablespoons. 3 tablespoons of VEL. Now, I'll take about 2 of these. 1, 2 heapings. Alright. Put that to the side. Kind of get in there. Just mix it. Okay. Just want to incorporate some of that in there first before I go in with my mustard. So, mustard, because mustard salad, potato salad. We go 1, 2, 3 tablespoons. Okay. So let me go ahead and use my Alright. Relish, we're going to use a 1/2 cup. That's about a 1/2 cup right there. Okay. Take our onions, put those in there. A little black pepper. 1/4 teaspoon of that. And we're going to take some onion powder. Sprinkle a little of that in there. Not a lot. Some Lawry's garlic salt. Sprinkle a little bit in that. Okay. We take our onions and mix it up. Like fold it in there or whatever you want to do it. However you want to do it. Grab it at the bottom. Just give it a taste. I think I need a little bit more mustard. So we go with 3, 4 actually. Now you will need that smasher if you have some red potatoes. Okay. Now, you want your stuff to look pretty, right? So what you want to do is smooth it out like I'm doing here. Just like that. Alright, here's another trick. Now, you can take a paper towel or your finger, just go around the edge like this. Use a paper towel though. And you cleaned it up. Take your rest of your little onions. Throw that in there. Just like that. Alright, now we're gonna take well, we don't do the paprika yet. We're gonna take this slicer and slice these eggs up. Okay? Which it ain't working that great because these eggs are jumbo. So you can just put them in there like so. The white part. I'm eating them eggs, buddy. I think this thing ain't big enough for some odd reason. Let me see if I can go this way with it. Nope. I think this is not for a jumbo size egg. I'll tell you that. Okay, that one did a little better. Just a little bit better. That one in the middle. VEL Dogg gonna eat the rest of those. Take our smoked paprika. Just sprinkle some in there. Just like that. There you go. There's your potato salad. Zoom in on that. This mess out the way. That's how you make a classic creamy mustard potato salad recipe for 2019. So guys, please subscribe to the channel. I love you guys. Have a blessed night. Comment. And let's get cooking. VEL Dogg signing out.